Hello, I'm going to demo on portal called RecruitSmart. Here, the main use of SharePoint is it has to create vendor and candidate, and at the same time, it has to send the details of vendor and candidate to the CRM. So, I worked on the areas of creating vendor and creating candidate. For giving further demo, I need to deploy my solution on local machine. So, I'll go and deploy my solution. Once the deploy is succeeded, we can go to our SharePoint site collection. Once the page is loaded, I can show the subsites which I am having in site collection. So this is my site collection where I am having different subsites. One is for vendor login, one is for creating vendor, and one is for creating candidate. First we'll have a look through for creating vendor. This is the vendor creation form. Here I am having three fields which are mandatory. Email as a validation. If I enter some text and press enter, it shows it's not a valid email. Password can be any type. So when I click on create, these credentials will be sent to CRM, and at the same time it stores in a list called vendor details on the same page. So I'm clicking on create to candidate to create vendor called Nudesic. So I'm successful in creating vendor called Nudesic. Now we'll go to CRM online site and check for the details of vendor name Nudesic. This is CRM application. We'll have different fields, candidate, job application. We'll go for vendor as we created vendor. In vendor details, we are able to see new Nudesic. So this is how I'm successful in creating vendor and able to send information from SharePoint to CRM. Now we'll have a look through how to create candidate. So this is the candidate creation form. Here I'm having three mandatory fields. One is name, contact number and current location. So I'll fill all the fields as I'm giving demo. So total experience will be number. So I'm giving number. Notice period is also a number. Career aspiration can be expressed. I work mainly on skill matrix thing. Here I should be able to create dynamic rows without giving pushback. So add skill, it should dynamically generate one more row without giving pushback. So when I click on submit, pushback as I have selected same skill for multiple times. So this is the validation which I achieved for skill matrix thing. And I am able to add the rows and delete the rows. So I can add n number of rows in this way without selecting same skill for multiple times. Rating can be same, need not be same. It doesn't have any validation. So this is the job opening number which I am getting from CRM. And these are the options also which I am getting from CRM. Once the CRM changes, it automatically updates in SharePoint also. So I'm going to create candidate named Vidyasagar who is having 5 skills. I'm going to click on submit. So I successfully created candidate name Vidyasagar. Now I'll go to CRM online site and check for candidate details. So here we can see the candidate details, all the details which we filled in SharePoint, who is having 5 skills. So in this way, I'm able to create candidate from SharePoint and able to send details of candidate to CRM. Using this candidate name, CRM generates job application. We'll go for job application field and check for this field. So JA1064 is assigned to the candidate Vidyasagar. So this job application is unique for different candidates. So this is how I'm able to integrate SharePoint with CRM. I'm able to create vendor and able to create candidate. At the same time, I'm sending all the information of vendor and candidate to the CRM. Thank you.